Hi, I'm Victoria Summers, and this is a Zeptor International presentation. But before we even get started, allow me to shed some light on who we are.
5 continents covered, in more than 40 countries, 320 square miles of business space, 760 million products sold, 80 million satisfied customers. Zeptor International is one of the first companies in the world which has recognized the danger that threatens human health in modern society. Inspired by nature, we succeeded to present a variety of products, famous for their high quality, advanced technology, glamorous design, and all for the purpose of better health. Our rewarded products, under the supervision of the best world experts, are produced in 7 factories situated in Germany, Italy, and Switzerland. A new Zeptor presentation starts every 10 seconds.
Oxygen is essential for human life. Without oxygen, we would be dead in a matter of minutes. Nevertheless, when we breathe, we also start a process known to us as oxidation, in which oxygen reacts with everything in our bodies just as it does outside of it. There are certain harmful elements in the oxygen we breathe, elements that create something we call free radicals. Free radicals are highly unstable molecules ready to react with most anything they come in contact with, starting a process in our bodies identical to corrosion, which we call free radical damage. Once the oxidation process begins, it can trigger a chain reaction that generates more free radicals.
Internally, free radicals damage tissue and can undermine our immune system. Free radicals can weaken and destroy cells and the DNA in the cells. DNA damage is a major component in the aging process. If DNA is damaged, cells cease to function normally, and this endangers our health, leading to illnesses.
So, how do we prevent all these illnesses and protect ourselves? There is a way. Fortunately for us, we have such a thing called antioxidants.
Antioxidants are molecules capable of inhibiting the oxidation of other molecules. They remove free radical intermediates and inhibit other oxidation reactions. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants can prevent cell damage altogether. Thanks to that, antioxidants can help slow down the aging process.
But where do we find these precious antioxidants? The best way to save our health is to consume plenty of fruits, vegetables, and certain types of fish. However, to protect ourselves from the onslaught of free radicals, we would need to eat kilograms of these foods daily, and that is simply not possible. Nevertheless, today we are here to present to you a completely new antioxidant, discovered only recently and now convincingly at the top of the antioxidant chart. Outdoing both beta-carotene and vitamin E in its strength, it was named the king of all carotenoids, natural astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is mainly found in algae and phytoplankton. Because organisms like these are the base of the food chain, astaxanthin can be found in many animals as well. Any sea animal that has a reddish or pinkish color contains natural astaxanthin. For example, you can find astaxanthin in trout, lobster, shrimp, and most of all, in salmon. And scientists theorize that this is what allows the salmon to complete their epic swim. Astaxanthin is 550 times stronger than vitamin E and 14 to over 60 times stronger than all other antioxidants, 20.9 times stronger than synthetic astaxanthin, 53.7 times stronger than beta-carotene, 64.9 times stronger than vitamin C. So what does this mean? That the only way to acquire natural astaxanthin and strengthen our health is to consume abnormal amounts of trout, lobster, shrimp, and of course salmon? Cultivated on the pristine coast of Hawaii, Zeptor International sources the finest microalgal natural astaxanthin in its new, highly effective food supplement, ZEPAST 10 Stop Age. It's completely free from contamination, the highest quality, and the purest and safest in the world. By using the best and most powerful ecological resources and applying their world-leading technology and scientific know-how, Zeptor is able to lead the way in human nutrition and bring you ZEPAST 10 Stop Age, a breakthrough food supplement. Let us now hear how ZEPAST 10 Stop Age, using natural astaxanthin, which is the strongest antioxidant, helps in preventing various illnesses and conditions. Many conditions are caused by free radical damage, one of the most dangerous being silent inflammation. While sporadic inflammation is a normal and healthy process and is our body's immune response to fight infection and repair damaged tissues, prolonged inflammation can be devastating.
Prolonged or silent inflammation can lead to tissue damage and many serious diseases. Silent inflammation is different from classical inflammation because we are not aware of it. As a result, no action is taken to stop it, and it lingers for years, affecting on the heart, the immune system, and the brain.
In the opinion of experts, there are no drugs that can reverse silent inflammation. There are anti-inflammatory diets and anti-inflammatory dietary supplements, such as ZEPAST 10 Stop Age, that can boost our immunity and prevent these conditions from ever occurring.
Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder in which the sufferer's own immune system attacks itself, and it is much more difficult to treat than osteoarthritis. It is a chronic destructive disorder that can cripple sufferers. Unfortunately, many traditional therapies have not been very effective, and prescription drugs may be unsafe as well as ineffective. Alternative therapies and food supplements like ZEPAST 10 Stop Age, containing natural astaxanthin, vitamin E, and lutein, have yielded satisfactory results in helping prevent this illness.
As you've seen, food supplements like ZEPAST 10 Stop Age, with its unique formula consisting of natural astaxanthin, lutein, and vitamin E, could help people suffering from serious inflammatory conditions live better, happier lives.
Astaxanthin
is the only antioxidant that can reach the brain and nervous system. Scientific studies have demonstrated that astaxanthin can help protect the eye from many diseases, such as cataract and age-related macular degeneration, which are the leading causes of blindness in the USA for people ages 65 and over. Free radicals have been known to damage the retinal cells. Once the retina is damaged, it cannot be replaced. Therefore, it is essential that people take antioxidants like natural astaxanthin as they get older in order to protect these vital organs.
One of the most important benefits that ZEPAST 10 Stop Age has for athletes or hardworking people is that it actually increases strength and endurance. It increases the endurance of athletes by up to 3 times.
There is no evidence that astaxanthin can prevent cancer or reduce tumors in humans. Nevertheless, there are over 200 epidemiological studies on reduced cancer levels in people whose diets have high levels of natural beta-carotene. Since astaxanthin is an 11 to 50 times stronger antioxidant than beta-carotene, we can assume astaxanthin could be much more effective in cancer prevention.
A potential benefit for cardiovascular health may be astaxanthin's ability to decrease blood pressure. Astaxanthin can exert beneficial effects in protection against hypertension, stroke, and improving memory and vascular dementia.
Thanks to its amazing abilities to protect from free radicals, ZEPAST 10 Stop Age, with its unique formula consisting of natural astaxanthin, lutein and vitamin E could decrease melanin production by up to 40% and therefore prevent age spots and early aging of the skin.
Who would ever think that you can take a pill and it would make you more beautiful from the inside out? Or that this same pill could help protect your skin from UV damage and sunburn? It seems incredible, but there is strong evidence that food supplements like ZEPAST 10 stoppage using natural astaxanthin, lutein, and vitamin E can do both. Skin is damaged over time by extensive and ongoing exposure to the sun's harmful rays. These ultraviolet rays can cause premature aging of the skin, lower skin's elasticity, wrinkles, dry skin, age spot, freckles, and in the worst case, even skin cancer and melanoma.
In the study that we have conducted in our institute in Neuchâtel in Switzerland in 2009, we were able to see extremely significant and important increases of the dermis density. The dermis has the tendency of being damaged over time by UV light. In other words, the photoaging process takes place. 80% of the aging process is due to this sun exposure. The results of this process is a destruction of the collagen network within the dermis, which is the biggest internal layer of our skin. And the consequences of this network destruction are typical skin aging signs, which manifest themselves by growing thinner, reducing the elasticity, drying out the skin surface, and last but not the least, the appearance of wrinkles. Astaxanthin has the capability of stimulating the regeneration of collagen in the dermis. A typical example of this regeneration was shown in our study, in which the subject who was supplemented with astaxanthin over a period of two months showed significant increases of the dermis density. In the displayed ultrasound pictures, you can see the dermis density increases by 32% in the first month and by 53% by the end of the second month of treatment. At the end of the study, 76% of the volunteers expressed that they would like to continue the treatment with astaxanthin, and 86% of them would recommend the treatment to a friend.
By preventing UV damage, skin can be protected from these conditions. And there is evidence that natural astaxanthin not only prevents UV damage from occurring, but may actually help to reverse these external signs of aging from the inside out. ZEPAST 10 stoppage, with its unique combination of natural astaxanthin, lutein, and vitamin E, is the most powerful antioxidant and a safe natural anti-inflammatory. It protects the skin from UV-caused damage and helps people look beautiful. A great supplement for athletes and active people, it helps in recovery from exercise strain, prevents soreness in joints after exercise, and strengthens by boosting endurance. Also, a wonderful aid to the brain and eye, which protects against conditions such as muscular degeneration, cataract, and glaucoma. It helps prevent tumors, arthritis, diabetes, atherosclerosis, and restores immunity. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon on our next presentation. I'm Victoria Summers, and this is Zeptor International.